Number 3, we want to simplify 1 divided by 49 raised to the negative 1/2 power. So again, negative exponent, you're going to move it to the opposite location. So this is the same as saying this 1 that's on top times 49 to now the positive 1/2 power. Now 1 times anything is itself, so that 1 is just going to kind of get absorbed into this process. 1/2, we're taking the square root. So this just means square root of 49. And you can say raised to the first power, but it doesn't mean anything. Anytime you raise something to first power, that's just understood as the same number. So the square root of 49, we get 7. Now we should do plus or minus 7, but we're just focusing on the positive for right now. This one we want to fill in the box to make the statement true. So we have 4 raised to some power, we'll just call it x, is equal to 1/64. Okay, so since this has a base of 4, I want to figure out what number can I rewrite 64 with the base of 4. Well, it turns out that we can rewrite 64 as 1 over, if you use the power table, it's 4 to the third. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 gives you 64. So we have a base of 4, but this is in the numerator. This is in the denominator. So I want to rewrite this. Remember, we can move it to the opposite position by changing the sign. So we can rewrite 1 over 4 to the third as 4 to the negative third. Now that times 1 again just gets absorbed. So we're looking at 4 to the x is equal to 4 to the negative third. And at this point you can see that x would have to be equal to -3.